Okay.
Here we go. Let's see if he came.
Okay, you got it, Drew. Go ahead.
Yes! Santa came!
Alright.
Oh, Dad! Awesome!
Okay.
Look! Awesome! Look! Squiggly thing! Batman!
Here, Tyler. This
Batman!
one. Tyler, this one says your name right here.
Look! Look, Mom!
Tyler.
Look there! Look, it's M&M spinner!
Cool.
Look!
Those are Drew's. This one's yours, Tyler.
And
Everything in
look.
here is for you.
Look!
Wow.
Spider-Man! What a toothbrush!
Tyler.
Tyler, this
That's
one's
what I'm
Drew's. Here, this
talking
one's yours.
about.
Tyler, look. Do you want?
Wow! Hershey's bar! Could you open
That
that?
one's Drew's. Look, you have stuff in your stocking. See?
What's my mom? Oh.
Here.
Ivan!
Come over.
Spider-Man belt!
Oh,
Ivan! That's Ivan!
Oh, you got a superhero too.
What's his?
I don't know.
Ivan! You got cool.
I think he thinks it's Iron Man.
Ivan! Ivan!
Oh,
This
okay.
one was the squigglies!
Oh, neat.
Sticky hand?
Oh, we love those.
M&M's?
Those are good.
Ivan!
What else did you get?
Cool, your own little notepad.
What's my crayons? My car.
I don't know.
Whoa!
Pull these things out.
A Hershey's lipstick.
It's a chapstick. Oh my.
Open this. That's my blue one.
You got
This
blue
one's Helen. Santa. Thank you.
Wow, what's that?
Goldfish.
Ooh, those are different. You see what that says on there, Drew?
What?
Yeah, it says s'mores. It's chocolate and marshmallow and graham cracker.
Nothing else in my stocking.
Wow, that was pretty cool.
Wow.
Let's see. Dad, my.
Look at the car he got, Drew. A cool new blue car. Look at Tyler's new
We
car.
can play with that one. See my video.
Oh, over here, Tyler. Let's keep looking. What else?
Look,
is in
you've
your
got more
stocking?
stuff in your stocking.
Hey, Dad, look.
Over here, Tyler.
What'd you get, buddy?
What else did you get?
Little worms.
Oh, snake. This is mine, too.
Wow.
Oh, these Jimmy snakes.
Here, why don't you kind of put your stuff near your, kind of gather your stuff over maybe one spot so it doesn't get confused with Tyler's.
Dad, would you open these so I can see what they do?
Yeah, cool. Cool M&M.
Mom,
Here's some M&Ms.
I'll get Dad his present. Dad, have a super Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Thank you, Drew.
This one.
No, that one's for Drew. These are all Drew's things over here.
This one.
What do you want? Break it? No. Over here, look. Let's see what else is in your stocking.
This is for you.
Is that for me? Oh my goodness, thank you so much. And another great coffee mug for me to have.
And this.
That's a sticky
And-
hand.
A little ornament thing. That is nice.
Hey, Drew.
Thank you.
Drew, you also have your pictures.
Here, can you crack that open for him?
This is also made for you.
For me?
Yeah,
That's-
explain that picture to him.
This is all the snow that's coming with the green.
Oh, okay.
That's all the cold.
No, this one's
This
yours.
is last year's, and this is this year's.
Oh, okay,
See,
great.
This was
And that's an alien snowman.
Oh,
you guys hanging the lights. See, here's Drew way up here. He told me.
oh.
He's only coming up the back. And this is Mom, and this is Tyler. And the lights up. That's Mom. Mom. Does he squiggle?
Yeah, I don't know. We'll have to read about it. I don't think.
Can you take that off?
Does that come off him, or does he need that? Yeah, that's the string that you.
Oh, look what fell out, Tyler.
What? What?
Right here.
Where's my dick?
Monstrous.
I want like that.
Well, we'll have to read about it.
There's two.
I put them on you. He's right there. They have strings to them, so we'll have to read about that later.
Oh, here.
Yeah, I think we have to do something with that.
I want goldfish. What's this? Hello. Mouse. Which one's my presents from Santa?
Where was your stocking?
Yeah, your stocking was over here.
Watch it.
No, Tyler, yours is over here.
What?
This was your stocking over here. On this side.
Oh, awesome. What's this?
Looks like some colored papers.
Big crayon. Even my own scissors.
Oh, right.
Great.
Let's see what this is.
Whoa, Tyler, what did you get?
Oh, man. That was Rocky.
That's not Rocky. Let's see who this one is. His name is Ryder.
Wider. Okay.
Sure.
This. I want to make sure the white order from Santa to me. I know this is the monkeys in the veil. I just feel it. I just feel it.
You could just feel it, huh?
Yeah.
Mommy, look at the monkeys in the veil.
Oh, wow. You've been waiting for those.
I can give it the paper. Then we can put it back in the veil in the dolphin. Where's Walkie? Walkie, I'm coming for you. Oh, this is a puzzle.
Tyler, what do you think?
Oh, awesome! A cool puzzle.
Oh.
Look, the long one.
Oh, neat. Construction puzzle? That's cool.
Now, construction puzzle.